Engineering growth hacks. Solve your top marketing problems. Phil Bacon. Are you in an engineering company that is struggling to reach its target audience effectively? In today's highly competitive business landscape, marketing for engineering companies is the first and most important step for its success. Yet many such companies face challenges in promoting their services and products. In this blog post, we will explore the pressing marketing problems encountered by engineering companies. From reaching the right clientele to communicating complex technical information, we'll take a deep look into the intricacies of these challenges. By understanding and addressing these issues, engineering companies can pave the way for increased visibility, stronger client relationships, and sustainable growth in an ever-evolving marketplace. How do you market an engineering company? Marketing for engineering companies requires a strategic approach to reach potential clients and showcase your expertise. Here are 5 key points to consider. Building a strong online presence. Establish a professional website showcasing your engineering services, completed projects, and the details of your packages. Optimize the website for search engines at SEO to ensure it ranks well in relevant searches. Utilize social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to share industry insights and project updates and engage with your audience. Content marketing. Create high-quality, informative content such as blog posts, white papers, and case studies related to your field of expertise. Share your knowledge about the latest trends, innovations, and best practices in engineering. This establishes your company as a thought leader in the industry, attracting potential clients who are seeking expert solutions to their engineering challenges. Networking and partnership. Marketing for engineering companies requires active participation in industry events, conferences, and trade shows. Networking provides opportunities to meet potential clients, collaborators, and other professionals in your field. Consider forming strategic partnerships with complementary businesses as the best option of network marketing for engineers. Client testimonials and case studies. Showcase your successful projects through detailed case studies and client testimonials. Highlight the challenges faced, the solutions provided, and the outcomes achieved. Potential clients often rely on these real-world examples to gauge your capabilities and the quality of your work. Encourage satisfied clients to leave positive reviews on platforms. How does marketing work with engineering? Marketing and engineering are intertwined disciplines crucial for the success of any product or service. Engineering creates the product, focusing on functionality and technical aspects, while marketing identifies consumer needs and preferences, shaping how the product is presented and perceived. A seamless collaboration between these fields ensures products align with market demands and are technologically viable. Engineers provide valuable insights to marketers about product limitations and possibilities, enabling realistic and compelling marketing strategies. Conversely, marketing for engineers conveys consumer feedback to engineers, fostering product improvements. What are the marketing problems faced by engineering companies? Market situation and intense competition. Engineering companies often struggle with market saturation and fierce competition, making it challenging to stand out. Effective marketing strategies tailored to the engineering industry, such as targeted online campaigns and specialized trade shows, are essential to creating a competitive edge in the market. Engineers need to adapt to evolving marketing techniques to ensure their services are noticed amid the crowded marketplace. Technological advancements and skills gap. Rapid technological advancements pose significant challenges to marketing for engineers. They must continually update their skills to keep up with the latest trends. Marketing for engineers, emphasizing continuous learning and skill development, can address this issue. Engineering companies also face the challenge of bridging the gap between traditional engineering expertise and contemporary marketing techniques, the ability to communicate a technical offering to non-technical people, to necessitating training programs and workshops, project delays and budget overruns. Engineering projects often encounter delays and budget overruns due to unforeseen circumstances, impacting client satisfaction. Effective project management and transparent communication are crucial. Marketing for engineering companies should focus on highlighting successful project deliveries and emphasizing efficient management strategies. Client testimonials and case studies can be powerful marketing tools to showcase the company's reliability. Talent acquisition and retention. Recruiting and retaining skilled engineers pose a constant challenge. Companies need to market themselves as desirable employers, showcasing their innovative projects and supportive work environments. Marketing for engineers can involve promoting a company's culture, professional development opportunities, and employee benefits. Engaging social media and online platforms can help attract prospective talent, ensuring a steady influx of skilled professionals. What are the 4 Ps of marketing uses by engineer manager? The 4 Ps of marketing for engineering companies, also known as the marketing mix, are traditionally used by marketers to define and plan their marketing strategies. 1 product or project. In the context of engineering management, product can be seen as the projects or solutions your team is working on. This includes the engineering products, services, or solutions you offer. An engineering manager should focus on defining and delivering high-quality projects, ensuring they meet the needs of clients or stakeholders, and constantly improving them. 2 price or cost. Instead of setting a price, an engineering manager needs to manage the cost of projects. This involves budgeting, cost estimation, resource allocation, and cost control. It's crucial to ensure that the engineering projects are delivered within budget and are cost effective. 3 place or distribution. In the context of an engineering manager, place can refer to the distribution of resources and responsibilities within the team or organisation. Effective project management includes allocating the right people to the right tasks, ensuring efficient workflow, and coordinating efforts to deliver the project on time. 4 promotion or communication. In engineering management, promotion can be equated to effective communication. An engineering manager needs to communicate with their team, stakeholders, and other relevant parties to ensure everyone is on the same page. This includes clear project updates, progress reports, and ensuring that the value of the engineering work is understood by the organisation and clients. Conclusion. We conclude that engineering companies encounter unique marketing challenges in a highly specialised industry. From communicating technical complexities to establishing a compelling online presence, these businesses grapple with a set of distinctive issues. It's essential for engineering companies to recognise the significance of targeted content, thought leadership, and building trust with their clients. By addressing these problems head-on and implementing effective marketing strategies, these companies can navigate the intricacies of their field and create a strong brand presence. Overcoming these challenges not only enhances their competitiveness, but also helps them thrive in an ever-evolving marketplace where innovation and expertise are paramount. Now that you've equipped yourself with knowledge, it's time to take action. If you want to avoid these challenges, then join hands with Marketing Managed, Bacon Marketing, and watch your business thrive.